Now let's deal with Wet Willie's Water World. This is a very easy to understand problem that really helps to explain things. Now I'm going to have you read this graph on your own, and I'm going to just move straight forward to the graph itself. I'm going to draw very quickly a graph that's of the first quadrant only. My vertical axis is going to be that for cost, and the horizontal axis is going to be for age. Now my cost to go to Wet Willie's Water World is somewhere between free and $7, so I'm going to have a graph that goes up to 7. There's my height of 7. The ages, I'm interested in 0 years old, I'm interested in an age of 2, 13 years old, 20 years old, and 65 years old. I'm sorry if my scaling is not very good. I'm trying to focus in on other things. Now, if you are under 2, you get in for free. In other words, your cost is 0 until your second birthday. I cannot include the point 2, 0. On your second birthday, your cost is then $2, and it remains at $2 until your 13th birthday. At your 13th birthday, your cost jumps up to $5, and it stays there until you turn 20. At 20, your cost is then $7, and it remains at $7 through your adult years until you hit 65. At 65, your cost drops down to $5, and it stays that way for the rest of your life. This is known as a piecewise-defined function, and notice how easy it was to graph given the narrative. Notice also that cost is a function of age. That is important to us because now we need to write the equation. And there's going to be 5 parts to this. So C of A, cost as a function of age, is equal to 5 parts. It's either going to equal $0, $2, $5, $7, or $5, depending upon your age. So put these commas in. Your cost is 0 if your age is under 2. Your cost is $2 starting on your second birthday. So 2 less than or equal to A, less than 13. When you turn 13 years old, 13 less than or equal to A, less than 20, your cost is $5. 20 less than or equal to A, less than 65 gives you a cost of $7. And finally, when your age is greater than or equal to 65, your cost is $5. Now these domains over on the right actually have a name. They're called the effective domains of the function, and they really help you to draw the graph. Now let's go through and answer the final part of the problem. There is 1 infant, 2 children, 3 teenagers, 2 adults, and 1 grandparent. Now I'm kind of going with a tally system here. Your 1 infant is free. Your 2 kids at $2 a piece are going to add up to $4. 3 teens at $5 a piece, that's going to be $15. 2 adults will be $14, and the grandparent will be $5. So this family, if you add down, is going to cost $38 or spend $38 to go to Wet Willie's Water World.